Hello, so welcome to the new video, and today video is about the trade recap video. Like I took three trades today. Two trades was on the Euro USD and then the one was on the gold. So please watch this video till the end. This video is going to be very powerful video and it will surely help you if you watch it till end, right? So basically what happened in trading is I see a lot of people marking structure like this. Today I get the same message that brother I am struggling in mapping structure, right? Why they struggling? They say people marking structure like this, and they do the same in trading. While live trading, they mark this as a break of structure. They mark this as a break of structure. So that is totally wrong. So this is just a single leg, right? Don't mark structure like this. Like this is a break of structure, and this is if market behave like this, and this is a change of character. This is not a change of character, right? So this is just market took out the liquidity from here and market will surely go upside. When market took out the liquidity, there are a lot of chances that market will go upside because market gets a fuel. Just like the vehicles, if vehicle need a fuel to run, market needs a liquidity to go upside or downside, right? So don't mark structure like this. I'm telling you, you will lose a lot of money and your hard-earned money will get spoiled in just in a minute, right? So here what happened is market was in a bearish trend. Market made a break of structure from here, made a break of structure from here, and from here what happened is market made a change of character from here, went to the upside, and this was the liquidity. Let me mark this. Sorry. So this was the liquidity, and this was the order block where market can go upside, and market did the same. I took a trade on this level. This was the order block, and one other thing that I want to highlight: some people mark this candle as their demand zone. Why? Because the mentors have told them you have to select the opposite candle, right? If the trend is bullish, you have to select the bearish candle, but it works nothing like that. Why I took the bullish candle? There is a reason behind this because this bullish candle took out the last candle low, right? You can clearly see this bullish candle took out the last recent candle low, and that's why market went upside, right? And that's why I took this demand zone and took these candle as a demand zone, and market did the same. Market went upside, made a break of structure from here, and let me tell you the uh, today trade how I took this trade. So market was going upside, so I was expecting like market would behave like this. Market would go upside like this, sweep this liquidity, and will I will use this as a demand zone. But market didn't behave like this. Market just went upside, sweep this high, and closed below this high. So what I did was I took a trade on this entry. When market closed below the candle, I took a trade. Sorry, I took a trade on this candle, placed my stop loss just above this candle, like 2 to 3 pip stop loss. You can clearly see it. That was 2 to 3 pip stop loss, and my first target was this low. You can see my first target was this low, and second target was this demand zone, right? And market clearly uh did the same. Market did the same like what I was expecting. Market sweep this high, went to the downside, and there was a demand zone over here, and market shows some reaction and then again goes to the downside, right? I took 2 or 3 entries here, and that everything went in the profit. So these are the two trades that I took today. And so let me tell you in the gold how I took the gold trade. So where is, oh fuck, sorry guys. XAUSD. So here is the gold. So usually I trade on my iPad, so that's why I haven't marked any zone over here, right? So gold, what gold did was, uh, me tell mark the correct structure. So what market did was, so this was the low. Market made a break of structure from here, uh, not here because this is just a liquidity sweep. You can uh, also take entry from here just in the 1 minute zone, like you can see 1791 to 1785, right? But market made a break of structure from here, but this was the last recent high, so that's why I marked this as a break of structure marked over here, right? But what market did was, market take a break of structure, mitigated this demand zone and went to the upside, and then again market break a break of structure from here. This was the low, and if I go in the 5 minute chart, because I have to refine my zone, what market did. So this was the last recent candle that took out the last recent candle low. So market clear properly. So this was the liquidity, right? So that was the first demand zone that could have worked, that really worked, that show some reaction and went to the upside. But what market did was, market show some reaction and then mitigated this demand zone and then goes to the upside. So this was the last recent high, right? So here, but the trade I took was this one, right? So this was the candle that took out the last recent high, and this was the high. Let me mark. This was the high. This was the low. This was the high, right? So that's why I took this demand zone and marked this high as my profit target. I took I marked here just like this, and my profit target was this high, right? This high. So this was a 1 to 7 risk reward trade that went perfectly in my favor. So you can clearly see how the structure mapping works. If you marking this as a break of structure, let me show you how you are going wrong. You mark this as a break of structure, right? This as a choke. Then what happened is your stop loss got hit, right? So this is nothing like that. Market behaves whenever market have to go upside or downside, market have to take liquidity. If market doesn't take liquidity, there is no chance that market will go upside or the downside. Yeah, there are chances that your stop loss can get hit, right? So this is how market works. So this is the trade that I took today. So wait for the next video, and do comment in the guys whatever topic you need. That next video will be on that topic, right? So thanks guys. Do subscribe and like the channel. Please share it to your friends and watch all the videos that I have uploaded. Thanks guys.